Hey guys, and welcome to this video. For this video, I'm going to be showing you my art gallery, and this is just some few pieces of art that I've done since I was like 8 years old to this year and what I've done lately. So I'm just going to show them to you and hopefully you like them. So let's get on with this video. So this is one of my paintings here, and I decided to do a ballerina because I love ballet since I was a very small little girl, and I've always wanted to become a ballerina. So right now the best I can do is paint them. I love everything to do so with ballerinas and ballet, so I might do about 20 more of them. Anyways, this painting is done in acrylic paints, not oils, which means the acrylics are water-based, not oil-based. And I copied this painting from somebody else's tutorial, so it's not my idea, but I give credit to the people who, created all this. Alright, to the next one. Well guys, this is another one of my pieces of art here, and I hope you like it because it's one of my favorites. It's an ocean team, because as you can see it's a fish, so I love the ocean so much, and all the whales and the fishes and the dolphins, and so I decided to make a fish for this one. It's ceramic art, which means tiles cut up into different pieces and put together into a mosaic. So I hope you like this one. Well guys, this is another one of my special pieces of art. I did this about a year ago, I think, and it's the Hogwarts Castle from Harry Potter, and I'm so obsessed with Harry Potter. I know absolutely everything to do about it, and it's wonderful. So I decided to make a painting of the scene of Harry Potter with a nice sunset and everything, because I just love it. I can watch and read the books 100 times and just keep on painting castles and broomsticks and everything. Well, I love painting stuff that I like, so... Well, of course I like painting with stuff I like, right? Anyways, I hope you like this one too. And this is done in acrylic paint, so as I said in the other one, it's water-based. And I hope you like it. Well guys, this one is one of my absolute favorites of all that I've ever done. I've done this one pretty lately, so this is one of my latest ones, and I really love this one. I love lions, but this lion in particular is from Narnia. If you've read the books or watched the movie, you'll know. His name is Aslan, and he looks really quiet and gentle, like a little lion that wouldn't want to hurt you, but he also looks quite fierce in some places. Anyways, I hope you like this one, and it took me a couple months to do, I think, yeah, and it's another mosaic, which is tiles all put together. This one's a little bit more complex than the other ones, and I'm really pleased with this one. I just love the way his little gentle eyes turned out in this one. So I've got another one to show you, and this one is another one of my favorites. This one is another little piece of art, which I like very much. This is one of my latest ones again, and I tried to follow Bob Ross. Hopefully it turned out good. I switched it around a little bit, so it's a little bit different. But I hope you like this one. I love the forest and everything, and he has such nice techniques to show. Oh my goodness. It's so easy the way it looks brilliant, but it seems to be so easy, just dipping and dabbing and daubing, right? And this is an oil paints, which is oil-based, so... which is good too. Anyways, let's go to the next one. Well, this one here is a pretty big one, and also another one of my favorites. They're all my favorites, really, and this one's of a dinosaur, my favorite dinosaur of all dinosaurs, a Brontosaurus. At first I tried to do a T-Rex. Well, I didn't try. I thought of doing a T-Rex, but I decided that was a little bit too much to hang in your living room, don't you think? Anyways, I love Jurassic Park very, very much, so that inspired me a lot to do a dinosaur, and this is like all the trees that I imagined what would be in that time, and like, you know, how dinosaurs would be and stuff like that. So I hope you like this one. This is one of my favorites, and I really, 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 really like it, and I hope you do too. So let's get on to the next. So guys, this one is like a mosaic. It is a mosaic, but it's made out of pearl shell. The same kind of thing, cut up and stuck together with a mirror into the middle. And it makes this beautiful little frame. You can just buy a normal mirror from any little store you have and take the mirror out of its case and stick it on a piece of wood and just make a beautiful frame. Design your own. Be creative, you know. So this is the one that I did. I hope you like it very much. I love pearl shell because when you put it like near the sun somewhere, it'll shimmer and glimmer, and it's so beautiful. So let's go on to the next one. Well, this is another little piece of art here, and I might have showed you this in another video. Yeah, I think I did. Anyways, this is a stencil, which means that like you have like a light little background of anything. You can do anything, and then black in front, like the stuff that are close to you can be done in black, which is really, really easy. I mean, you wouldn't believe how easy it is. So if you can, just try one out and send me some links in comments below. Right, I got that right. And this is an acrylic painting, which is, like I said, in all the things, water-based. And I like this one really much because the colors in it makes it so nice and everything. So hopefully you like it. Well, this one is another one of my special ones. I did this about a couple of years ago now, and I made it for my mother for her Christmas present. By the way, these make really good presents, and once you get the hang of it, they're really easy to make too. So you should try them. Trust me, you'll be really amazed with yourself, because I did not know that I could do anything like this. And they're really, like, you don't have to make really complex ones, the ones that they have like in certain places, like for sightseeing, like old ones. You can make really simple ones just like this, and they look wonderful. So try one out if you can. Alright, let's go to the next one. Well, this one here is another mosaic, and I love to do them. They're really, really easy once you get the hang of it. I did this a couple years ago, and like I said, they make really good presents, so you should try them out. And so this is just, I made a cat because I love cats, but you can really make anything you like. And I don't know, I just love kitties and cats and kittens and everything, so this is my choice here, and hope you like it. So let's get on with the next one. Guys, so this is my last little exhibit here, and I like this one because it has a mirror for the background and a marble for the eyes and a little bit of jewels around everywhere. So you can use shells, you can use anything actually. I mean, not everything and anything, but most things. And this is another ceramic thing, ceramic and mirror and other stuff. So I hope you like this one, and thank you for watching. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you really liked it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you love my art. Let me know in the comments below. Bye!